Ready?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let's go. Oh yeah, good morning my friends. Today is Wednesday. Nah, I'm just joking. Today is Tuesday and we are leaving this island. It's our last day here in Nusa, Lembongan, something like that. And we are gonna take the speedboat back to Bali at Sanur. And from there we'll be going to Ubud. And yes, we're super excited. Therese is just zipping up her bag. Let's see how it's going.
Struggling.
How is it going, Therese?
Struggling.
Oh, there we go. She made it. Yay! Alright guys, so we have done packing and we are not going to be talking a lot because the boat is going to be super fast and bumpy. So we will just film all the way up to Ubud and we'll show you guys how we are staying in Ubud. Anyways, join us. Bye!
Hello, so we are back in Ubud and we got here a few hours ago. We had some lunch, we had a swim in the pool, and then me and Eddie did some work, and now we're gonna go for dinner. It's really beautiful here. I'm so excited to stay here for 3 nights. So tomorrow we are gonna explore Ubud center and just walk around, and I think me and my mom is gonna go to a yoga, but we'll see about that. And then the day after we are gonna go on a guided tour. So we're gonna see some rice fields, maybe waterfall, temples, as we didn't see much before when we were here like a month ago. So that's gonna be exciting. So yeah, you're gonna come along with us, and hopefully this coming days are gonna be really exciting and nice.
We're gonna eat dinner cause I'm hungry. I'm hungry, need to eat some food. What?
Spider. Good morning, it's a new day and I am doing some workout videos that I'm gonna post on my social media. So here is the setup. I have my camera, my phone, water bottle, and my yoga mats and a resistance band. So I already done one video and I'm gonna do 1 or 2 more today. And look at this view I'm having. And then I think I'm gonna take a little morning swim before breakfast. And yeah, then you're gonna come along on our day today. So we're gonna go to Ubud Center and just explore there, have some lunch, and they are having a ceremony today. So we might come back here because the hotel told us that they are celebrating like Nyepi, if I'm saying that, or if I'm remembering it right. Hey, buddy. Okay. Okay, so now we're gonna take the car to Ubud Center. Den ställer sig på fötterna.
Kolla vintern, let's go. Come on. Come on.
Okay, so we are in Ubud and we are gonna, oh, look at this. And we are gonna go for a little hike. It's a 2 kilometers. I'm not sure if it's gonna go 2 kilometers there, then back. But yeah, what was this called again? I'm just gonna have a look what this is called. So it's called Campuhan Ridge Walk. Yeah, Campuhan Ridge Walk. We have been walking for 2 kilometers now, 2.5 kilometers, and we are on our way back now. And we are gonna find a cafe to get some drinks. I'm gonna see if I can find iced matcha. And then we are gonna go to Ubud Center and get some lunch. And it's really hot, I'm sweating a lot. But it's been a really beautiful walk. I can really recommend going here. I'll write I'll write it down for you. Look at this, so beautiful. I'm living my best life now. And also I think I told you this yesterday that they have or this morning maybe, they have a ceremony today. So they're gonna celebrate, I can't remember the name, Yuppie, for 10 days. So this is the first day and everyone is dressed so beautiful. They are like white or yellow, and they even like decorate their own cars and motorcycles. It's really, really beautiful. About 2 hours, yeah, around 5-6 kilometers, and now it's time for lunch. So we went to this restaurant called Chris, I think it's called, and I'm having a superfood salad. Eddie's having chicken, and my mom is having an acai bowl. I'm super hungry, so now we're gonna dig in.
It's a new day. It's a new life. What's up, Therese?
Yeah, not much. It's a new day, and today we are gonna go on a guided tour. So he will come at 8:30. So now we're gonna have some breakfast and get ready before we go. Yeah.
Yes. Tell our viewers about yesterday.
No, nothing really happened yesterday. So after we did the hike and we had lunch, we just went back here and I did some work or editing, and you had a little nap. Long nap.
Like 25 minutes nap.
Yeah, and then we just chilled basically, and then we had dinner. It was so good. So we didn't really feel much because we didn't do much, but today we're gonna do a lot. We're gonna see rice fields, waterfalls, temples,
and other things. We want you guys to enjoy the views. All right, follow along. Ooh.
Okay, so now we have walked around for a bit here in the rice field, and it was very beautiful, but take a lang. But I wouldn't say crowded, but it is a few tourists here. So I think we want to go to rice field where it's like no tourists and I don't know,
more local type
rice field.
Yeah.
But I do think it's worth a visit to go here because it is really beautiful.
Yeah, and also the rice is, I think, just newly grown, so that is why in the video, I don't know if you filmed it, but you don't see like rice covering all over the places. I'm not a rice guy, so I have nothing to compare with.
At the coffee plantation, and we're gonna go to the temple after, I think, because this was closer. Well, I don't drink coffee, but Eddie and my mom does, so they're gonna try some.
fire. This one on Balinese old people, mainly with the wood fire, better taste.
Yes.
Then with the electric.
Yeah.
This is the traditional way when old people cooking.
No, it's fine.
Normally they have another hole here.
Okay.
Yeah, mine fire. Yeah, slow fire.
Yeah.
And then another slow fire.
I take this one home.
Yeah.
Meet you too.
Where are you from?
Uganda.
Oh, can
Yeah.
I take picture?
Yeah, you can take a picture of me too. Yeah.
Okay.
I have a YouTube. I have,
why?
but not now. I want a picture too. I have.
It's from Nasa.
Oh no, not now. Thank you so much.
You buy
Thank
one.
you. No,
Bye.
thank you. Nice to meet you. Have a nice one.
You buy one from me.
No, sorry.
Bye with me.
No, sorry.
Oh, why? Sorry, why?
Huh?
It's time for some lunch here at Mont Boutour.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello. Oh. Yes. Hello.
Snow?
Yes, I think
Dragon
we
fruit
would
is
like one dragon.
One dragon?
Oh.
Mango
Kita
napi
två
ni
dragon,
gede-gede
va?
ni.
Apa berhasil ke Pak?
Di Bali?
Nggih, leleng.
Two, yes.
And 70, or 180, 180.
Pamelo now.
It's raining. We're on our way to the temple. We will write the name down because I can't pronounce it or remember the name. But it's a nice walk there.
Take number 2.
No, so the temple was, it was a really cool experience. It was my first time doing like a blessing, if you say like that. But me and my mom thought that we were gonna go just like to the pool, like under the temple. But when he took us down, like in the,
What pool?
you know, when you came down, and you know the temple, when you walk through, like when you rang the bell.
Oh, so that's why you thought
I
you
thought
were
we
gonna
were
go-
only gonna be there and like go around these like water,
Yeah, the waterfalls. Yeah.
not the falls.
The pipes.
The pipes, yeah.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, that's cool, I can do that. But then he walks down and he starts walking like in the...
To the river.
To the river, yeah. And my mom and me were like, are we really gonna walk here? Because I was so scared, like, oh, what if a snake is coming, or what is, like, we can't see where we're walking.
No.
and the water was really like brown.
Brown. Yeah, so
It
I
was
would-
raining quite a lot before we came there.
yeah,
So I'm not sure. Also, like the rain took some stuff into the river.
yeah,
Anyway, it was when we got like to the end. It was really cool though. It was like two rivers that came together. So it was beautiful. But he wanted me to swim under. I tried it once, but then I was like, no, I didn't want to get like water in my mouth or anything. But yeah, it was cool. And then we walked back and we did like a ritual, like when you do water 3 times on your face and then 3 times on your head, and then you go under, and then you do that on every pipe, kind of.
Oh, you did it on every pipe?
Yeah, on every pipe.
Oh,
I think it was 6.
Yeah.
So we did that like 6 times.
yeah,
But
okay.
it was really cool. It was a fun experience.
Yeah. So that was an experience, and then the other one was when we went to see Mount Batur,
Mount Batur, yeah.
but from a very long distance.
Yeah,
I mean,
like from a
it's
viewing point.
a viewing point, yeah. And then we had some
Lunch there.
lunch, and then
Yeah, we also did a coffee plantation.
yeah, I think that was my
I really
Favorite.
liked that one too. It was not only coffee, it was like tea tasting as well.
and fruits.
And fruits, yeah. And we had like a few like Balinese cakes, and yeah, it was really nice. I liked it, and it was a nice view as well.
Yeah,
We are gonna go to Uluwatu today,
Yeah.
and my best friend is coming this evening.
yeah,
So we are gonna end the vlog here, and we might start a new vlog in Uluwatu. We'll see
yeah.
if we have time. Oh, we do have time, but if we're not.
Yeah, so
But
again,
yeah, our driver is coming in 20 minutes, so we need to
Start moving.
Start moving, finish up packing.
yeah,
But yeah, I really like. So this is our second time in Ubud, and I really like Ubud.
and you're coming back.
Yeah, I'm coming back in 3 days with my friend. But we are gonna stay. So now we basically live in the jungle, so we're gonna stay a bit closer to Ubud
Yeah.
center. Yeah.
Alright guys, this was it for this vlog, and we all thank you very much for watching, and we hope that you also subscribe or will subscribe if you see us again. It will mean a lot, and that is it. Love you all. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.